As Zimbabweans prepare for nationwide protest called by war veterans for March 31, 2025, it's crucial to remember that their demand for change are rooted in the country's constitutional rights. The War Veterans Association has played a significant role in Zimbabwe's history, including the involvement in the 2016-17 protests that led to RG Mugabe's resignation. Sana vana mashuka vanokudanyurwa panapa achinzi aiwa vanhu panguva inoi vakutofanira kutombogena kamomentum votombogena energy pamusoro pemaprotest atakatarisana nawo tombosubscribe like on the bell icon. Timdamu chenjeredwa kudanyura chiti the 2016-17 protests were sparked by corruption, hunger, and economic repression. The protest resulted in the resignation of President RG Mugabe, marking a significant turning point in Zimbabwe's history. The current call for demonstrations echoes the same concerns about demands for exchange. In a democratic society, the right to peaceful demonstration is essential for citizens to express their grievances and bring about change. As Zimbabweans exercise this right, it's crucial to remember the country's history and significance of the War Veterans Association in fighting for freedom and justice. The upcoming demonstrations are not only about removing President Mnangagwa, but also about fighting for the rights and the freedoms of Zimbabweans. As the country prepares for this protest, it's vital to prioritize peaceful demonstrations and remember significance of this right in Zimbabwe's history. Tomashkana kudanyokwa sana kuropanapa. Atikuna kuti the bottom line, it is just aging. Aiwa vanhu vanoona sekunge zviri necessary aiwa kuratidzira kana kuchinja government aiwa vapinde zvavo mumastreets vazviratidzire vachiuya panapa vachinyatsoutlaina aiwa their constitutional right kuti everyone has a right to express kana kuti to be aligned aiwa neparty kana faction anoda tudze mavhumiro emo tikude pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.